how to find the coordinates of A. In this example, you are given the graph, you are given the equation of the graph, and you are asked to find some unknown coordinates, as indicated in this case, the coordinates of A. Now, let's study the function. Y equals to modulus of x minus 4 plus 3. This portion of the graph is a positive number. So which means that 3 plus a positive number will always be bigger than 3, because this is greater than or equals to 0. A modulus value cannot be negative. So if smallest is 0 when x is 4. And any other values of x, okay, when you modulus will be a positive number. So when you add to 3, this number will be greater than 3. If you look at the point A is the lowest point. So this occurs when this is 0. That means when x minus 4. So we say that at A, x minus 4 is 0. So x is equals to 4 and y equals to 3. So this is how you find the coordinates of A. 4, 3. Clear? You may want to pause and go through again on your own. I'm going to show you another example. This time it's an inverted V shape. Alright? So in an inverted V shape, the point A is the maximum value. Alright? Now let's study this modulo function. This again is a positive number, and it can be greater or equal to 0 depending on the value of x. So you always subtract a positive number from minus 2. Okay? So if you always subtract a positive number from minus 2, that means minus 2 is the biggest number, because you subtract something from minus 2. So when you subtract something, it will be less than negative 2. So if you subtract 0, that means if you subtract nothing, then the biggest value, the maximum value, will be minus 2. You subtract 0. So y maximum is negative 2. And how does this happen? When this is 0. When you subtract nothing, that means you subtract nothing from minus 2, you get the highest value. So x is negative 4. Therefore, your A is minus 4 and your y is minus 2. Alright? So I hope after these two examples, you are quite clear as to how to find the highest value here or the lowest value here, the coordinates. Right? Is to let this modulo sign equals to 0. Okay? And this is the y coordinate. So in this case, the x coordinate is 4. And in this case, the x coordinate is -4. And the y coordinate is -2. If you are still not clear, I have 2 more examples to illustrate this point. Look at number 3. How to find the coordinates of A? The coordinates of A is 2x minus 3 equals to 0, x equals to 3 over 2. That's 1.5. And then y is equals to -4. So A is equals to 1.5, y is -4. Okay. Another example. Example 4. How to find the coordinates of A? Okay. X minus 3 equals to 0, x equals to 3, and y equals to 5. As simple as that.